In this video, we're going to teach you how to download Airtel Xstream app in LG TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your LG TV. And once you're in there, you can head over and then run the apps first. Now use your actual remote and look for the option for the App Store. Now once you have looked for your App Store, click on Apps right here and click on the search icon. Now search right here for the app that you want. On this case, it's Airtel Xstream app and search for it. You should be able to find it directly, so just head over and install it. So from once it's been installed, you can head over and open the particular application directly in your LG TV. So do take note that LG TV runs on LG WebOS and not on other systems such as Android TV or Apple TV. It has a different build, so some apps may not be available. So do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.